Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're going to break down a brand that is, it's probably all over your social media feeds right now.
Oh, almost certainly. We're talking about Lohnr Clothing.
Exactly. Famous for that viral $50 luxury lived-in cotton set.
And that's our mission today, really, to just cut through all that marketing noise. We're going to look at the sources and figure out if these sets are what they claim to be, these five-star items.
Or if there's something else going on.
Yeah.
Because the surface appeal it's really good.
It is. They promise pure cotton for sensitive skin, and you see these testimonials from customers who are apparently obsessed.
Right. Wearing them for 3 days straight. That's the hook.
Okay, so let's unpack that, because when you move past the very slick, very clean website and start digging, the foundation is incredibly shaky.
Shaky how? A lot of new brands can look good on the surface.
Well, the first big issue is just time and transparency. The domain is only 8 months old.
Wow.
Yeah. And for a brand that's pushing this luxury angle, 8 months it's nothing. It means they haven't been tested at all. On top of that, Scam Advisor gives it a really low trust score.
And why is that?
Hidden ownership, flags for unsolicited marketing. And if you actually try to find contact info, it's buried, really buried deep in the fine print.
So you're basically buying from a ghost, an entity that's actively trying to hide itself.
Pretty much.
So that brings us to the economics. How can a brand sell a supposed luxury cotton set for only $50? That doesn't add up.
It doesn't. And this is where the digital ghost presence connects to the financial reality, the product itself. It's a dead ringer for designs on wholesale sites.
Like what kind of sites?
Like AliExpress. You can find those same cotton sets, the ones with the built-in shorts, for about $8 to $12.
So they're marking it up 5 or 6 times.
At least. But wait, the product is genuinely decent? Maybe they just launched fast and are catching up on paperwork. Isn't it possible they just haven't filed the trademark or permits yet?
That's a fair question, I guess.
It is. But this is exactly why the regulatory side of things is so important. That huge markup isn't just profit. It's funding that massive ad spend you see everywhere.
Because they have no organic presence.
Zero. And here's the kicker. We searched for business entities under the name Lohnr in California, New York, Delaware, Nevada. Nothing.
No results at all.
Not a single one. No trademark filings, no manufacturing permits. For a clothing brand that makes specific claims about its fabric, that complete lack of a paper trail is what separates a real business from this.
That silence on the regulatory side that's really unusual. So what about the social proof? If it's so viral, where are all the real people talking about it?
Exactly. That absence tells you everything. It makes you look at their on-site testimonials a lot more critically.
And what do you see there?
You see every single review is a perfect 5 stars. You have Emily loves the fabric, Sophia feels put together, Riley bought backups.
That sounds scripted.
The language is almost identical, and they're all posted within days of each other. It strongly suggests they're fabricated.
And you contrast that with the real world, and there's just nothing. No Reddit threads, no genuine TikTok unboxings from actual customers.
None that weren't paid ads. The only voice you hear is the one they're paying for. And then there's the return policy.
What about it?
It promises instant replacements, but it has no substance, no detail. And how do you get an instant replacement from a company that doesn't legally exist?
Okay, so let's tie this all together. For you, listening to this, what does it all mean?
It means you might actually get a decent enough cotton set for your $50.
But you're paying a huge premium for what is essentially a $10 wholesale product.
And you're buying it from a ghost company, a company with absolutely no paper trail. This is a textbook dropshipping operation, just dressed up in some fancy luxury branding.
So the key takeaway here, the knowledge you can use, is spotting that regulatory absence.
That is the big one. It's what we'd call weapons-grade concerning. That's the real line between aggressive marketing and a legitimate business.
Right. And it leaves you with a final thought to consider. If a brand can be so aggressively viral, but also completely untraceable in public records, how much of the e-commerce world we see every day is just expensive garbage with really good marketing?